Heyo ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. Come join me and Benny building this beautiful thing out of 2 kayaks. We plan on making a pontoon kayak that is motorized as well. We're just taking 2 kayaks, building a platform on top, and gonna put a motor onto it so we do not have to paddle. Let's make this happen. Alright boys, are you guys ready for this? This is the freaking first try here. Okay, we're turning the motor on, and here we go. Full speed? Dude, no way. Check it out.